Hi my friend, this is Nabi from Best Spicy Recipes. Today I want to make chicken patties or chicken kebab. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel, like, comment, share our videos. Let's start. The ingredients which I will use in this recipe: chicken 1 kilo, 4 potatoes medium size, 2 onions medium size, 5 green pepper, garlic 13 cloves, ginger 20 gram, red chili powder as required, crushed coriander seeds, salt as required, black pepper as required, special chicken masala as required, cumin, turmeric powder, 6 breads. Okay, first it's time to boil potatoes. Boil potatoes at least for 10 minutes because for this recipe we want the potato to be soft. So 10 minutes is fine, not more than 10 minutes. Okay friends, after 10 minutes my potato is ready. Okay friends, it's time to fry my onion. So let's see how fry my onions. Oil 2 spoon, cumin 1 spoon, turmeric powder, chopped onions, keep the heat low, salt onions till onions are brown. Okay friends, my onion also ready. Okay friends, now it's time to chop my garlic and ginger. They're done. Now it's time to garlic. My garlic and ginger also done. Now it's time to mix all the ingredients. Okay friends, I have take out the chicken from meat machine and also the potato. Now we are going to mix all the ingredients. Also take out my potato from meat machine. Now we are going to mix all the ingredients. My onions, my garlic and ginger, my chopped green pepper, my breads. Well, you can take the breads from blender machine also, but I'm showing you the easy way. If you don't have blender machine, then you can use this way. Okay friends, now we will mix it. Make sure you mix it well. I'm going to add the other ingredients, the masala and salt, other special chicken masala 4 spoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, crushed coriander seeds 3 spoon, black pepper 1 spoon, salt as required. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients. Okay friends, my ingredients are ready. Now it's time to fry the burgers. Let's see how I fry the burgers and make the burgers. I have made this. This will make your work very easy to make burgers. You can do it with anything as you wish, as you want. So I have made this to make my work more easier. So take a plastic just in the size of this burger, anything you want. This plastic will be very useful when you're frying the burger and take some ingredients and put the ingredients in this cup with the hand or with the spoon, with anything you wish. Do just like this. You can do it with spoon also. And push gently. It is formed very well in a good shape. So our burger is ready. Now make all the burgers just like this. Okay friends, my burgers are done. Now it's time to fry them. Oil. Okay friends, so when you're trying to fry the burger, please keep the heat low, so the inside of the burger will get cooked also. See, the plastic helps a lot. So the one side get cooked, flip it to another side, but remember, keep the heat low. In the low heat we will fry the burgers, so the inside of the burgers will get cooked also. If you fry the burgers in high heat, so the sides will get cooked but the inside will not get cooked. Okay friends, our burger also done. Okay friends, we have cooked our chicken kebab or chicken patties. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel. Do not forget to like, comment, share my videos. Thank you for watching.